welcome us back. Do you want to say hi? They miss you already. It's been so long. So magva-vlog tayo ngayon guys kasi today ay magkakamping kami again. For the last namin na nagcamping is 11 months pa lang si Dionte. Ngayon magpa 5 years old na siya, di ba? Tapos natin, hello.
Hello. At the far left-hand corner, that is one of your friends. They can park alongside the blue car and then walk across to you.
Yeah. Ganda, daming bulaklak doon. Tapos andyan may caravan park dyan. Tapos doon lang yung dagat. As in nandyan dito ka dadaan. So andyan na yung dagat over there. So nice. Batang nagre-reklamo na lamig. Pero kainit day.
He went
Yeah.
blue car.
Are you excited? You wanted to do the camping tonight? It's been...
I'm a little sad because I left my friends.
But Kuya Jack and Jack is coming. Jack is coming. But not with us in the camping. They just want to come to the beach. So they're gonna see each other on the beach.
I hope that Jamie doesn't suck my
Suck your what?
my softball because it says not allowed.
Yes. You can tell him. You're a kuya, right? You can take good care of Jamie as well. Yes?
Like a diamond. I can
Yeah. So doon banda yung amin. Nasa dulo kami. Pero ano yun siya, ang ganda talaga dito dyan. Mas maganda ito. Tapos dagat doon. Diba wala kami kapitbahay sa right side. Dito din. Baka meron din dito mamaya. Dahil punta muna tayo ngayon sa toilet. Naiihi ako dahil. Parang napaka-homey naman dito. Yung parang hindi lang talaga siya plain na field ba. May mga flower, may mga barn. Saan ba yung ano nila dito, toilet? Ito daw banda eh. Yes, toilet is here. Ito yung toilet. So, diba, meron silang, ladies. Meron din doon, sport shower. Ito naman dito yung dito tayo sa toilet. Ito yung toilet nila dito tayo. Ay, ihi na ako tayo. I'm so happy with you. Diba? Tingnan natin dito. Akyat tayo dito tayo. Oh, na. Highway?
Yeah, there is.
Dionte, be careful, it's highway.
Be careful. Yeah,
It's highway ha, don't ano.
told you if you can go in the grass. It's not that.
Who didn't come stairs? Nobody comes stairs with dogs.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Oh,
wow. Ooh. Wow, ganda. Ayan yung beach. Makikita na namin. Tapos ito yung mga caravan.
Can you see the water?
Tapos ito yung aming camping.
Mommy, can you see the water?
Yeah, I can see the water up there. So nice, Dante.
Yes, look at all of these flowers. This is so many flowers.
This is so many flowers. It's so nice. Let's go down. And we have barbecue over there just right down our
Mommy, hold
tent.
me,
Oh no. Both of us. Going to the beach and eat. So nice. Love?
Daddy, I want to go to the beach and eat.
Yan. We are just going to look for a place where to eat because hindi kami nag-breakfast. We did not have breakfast. Only Dionte have breakfast. Yeah. So
We're gonna eat and then we'll come back by
hindi 1 hour away. Dito na tayo sa beach. Ayan. 2 minutes away lang talaga kasi yun lang yung namin yung may hagdanan. Tapos ito tayo sa Hitcham South Beach. Ang ganda ng flowers tayo. As in parang andito ba ako sa UK ngayon? Nasanay kasi ako sa UK na hindi mabuhangin ba? Tapos hindi mainit. Yes, look down there, there's a kite. You saw that one? Nabuhangin siya, Day. We're gonna eat first. Okay, we're gonna see the water daw. No authorized vehicles on the beach. Go, my love. Go follow Daddy. You cannot see it, but it's in there. Ooh, we're on the beach. Yun lang talaga, Day. Kahit anong init dito sa UK, Day. Malamig talaga ang tubig. Oh. Wow! Wow, meron silang, what's it, you call that like a port something? Beyonce! We are at the beach now. Thank you for helping beach nesting. Even here, oh, there is caravan, oh. Just in front of the beach. You wanna go check the water? You wanna go check the water, Deante?
Yeah.
Kahit anong init dito, Day, kahit mag 40 degrees pa, Day, ang tubig, Day. 5 degrees man po. Go then, let's check the water.
What?
Ang amoy niya parang malato-lato ba? Malato-lato. Careful ah. Yan o, malato-lato. Be, ang tubig, be. Atay. Agoy, ginukul. Ginukul. Gonna try the water now. I just did. I just washed my slip. Huh? Later, maybe we just need to eat first. Oh, there's no food. It's closed. Open at 9. 9 a.m. only. What about here on the side? Is it the same? Oh, they have even another here too. There's no food, Daddy. Maybe on that side there is. Go pee first. Deposits from just 5,600. 18,995 won of that. Pounds. 18,000 pounds. Tapos deposit is 5,700. And then 346 already per month. Yeah. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Meron silang indoor pool dito. Oh, I think John would like it. Meron silang indoor pool dyan.
We can go to the park house to see.
Yeah.
You can go here as well. You don't like the swimming pool.
Ooh, it's nice. There's a swimming pool there, oh? Yeah. Wow. We don't have any coins here. Meron din pala silang ganito. And Daddy will look for food. So nice in here. I have a coins in my bag. Later we're gonna come back here with Kuya Jack, okay? Flower, my love, is very big.
So that's this one behind this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Behind
Still going to
this
bloom.
one. Look behind that one. Behind it.
Yeah, no. Very nice. Guys, nandito na yung aming money. Mainit-init pa ang ating pizza and pagkain. So, hindi kami bumili ng madaming ng food kasi may parating kami na food kasi yung friend ko dadating. So, ako sa kanya. Nagpabili ako sa kanya sa KFC. Pero, sobrang nilang tagal, kaya hindi na kami This is not working, my love. The machine is not working. So, we need to go to the car so we can get the coins.
Look, it didn't give me money. Look, only card I have.
See? Daddy is so sad as well because he wants to play and Daddy cannot play as well.
Yeah, look my cat face.
But it's okay, Daddy. You can come back later.
Yeah, of course we're gonna come back later with other kids as well.
Once in a while I dream. Once in a while I think of you. I reminisce on days gone by when you and I were new.
Lunch. Wala kami makita na ano.
We're gonna put the entrance to the tent that way.
Yeah. Not this way? That way? Okay.
That way is better because it's
Nice. It's a field. Cannot see anybody walking around. Tama, ganun ang aming tent. Kung saan kami? Doon kami. Wind the bell, boo, goo, pop, pop, pop. Aming tent, natuyo na siya. Ano na lang yung sa ano niya, yung parang atikan na. Dito kami nag-entrance ka para ito yung aming view. Diba? Hindi doon. Guys, ready! Hello po! Ano sila?
But you need the shoes. You need the...
Let's go! We need to go there, oh. Bahala na malamig, pero daming ano, mga... So nice. Kami mga nanay, siyempre, hindi kami maligo. May takot kami sa hadlock ko sa lamig dahil. Yeah.
That's cool. I can't even. I think I can. You feel
Yeah. Ang layo na ng dagat. Kanina nandoon lang yun yung tinas natin kanina.
What happened to a pigeon?
Baka may ano dyan, be, mga shell. Magluto tayo. Be, ano, be? Tawag nito? Mga agihis ba? Ayan, oh. Ito. Yung ano nga, yung may suka. Yung malaki man yun.
Meron yun sa susi.
Kaso dito daw bawal.
Going to poo-poo land?
Yeah.
You're walking to poo-poo land? Are you?
Ayan. Ano yan? Shell? Sarap. Kasarap yan, Pi. Lamig! Lamig kayo doon!
I'm shaking!
Yonte!
I'm shaking!
Ah, nice. Time to snack na. May mga baong KFC itong aming... Ayan!
French fry!
Hi! Yummy! Yummy! Si mama din. Hindi kumakain ng ano si mama. Ng laman lang lahat. Gusto niya yung maraming bukog. Yung mga bukog. Eh, mga sa ano ba? Thai Park ba?
Sarap kaya.
Bata, naglalaro ng
Labi, nainggit si Labi.
Stone Castle.
I have 5 more.
Jamaican!
Oh, this is like a truck.
Ang layo kasi ang ano nila, nagustuhan nila kasi nga, lawak.
Oh, that's ice cream, not
Wow! Ice cream daddy.
Wow! Wow,
for you as well.
Yeah, for them. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
I got you in.
Ah,
I had clips.
Oh, did you?
Oh my god!
How are you? How did you know this? You never have that one.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try.
Yay! Yan na nga, kaya nainggit yung mga bata sa mga batang nagkakite kanina. Kaya bumili na din kami para ano sila. Ito na yung mga kite nila. Tama. Ganda dito dahil peaceful talaga siya. Yung hindi siya crowded, tapos hindi mabaho kasi most of the time kasi pag madaming tao may naaamoy ka na mga nagsisigarilyo. Ito dito wala good job, my love. Ako naman ito, bantay ako ng mga gamit habang sila doon. Tapos nagpapalipad lang ako ng saranggolan. Doon sila. Wala lang tao. Dito na side. Tapos ito meron pa. Pero sobrang lang ng init. Yung sakto lang, hindi masyadong mainit, hindi masyadong malamig, tapos mahangin. Lulubat na ako yung cellphone, kaya see you na lang mamaya muna sa aming camping. Sinayo pa lang namin yung tent, pero hindi pa ako nag-set up ng tent sa loob ng mga bed. Kasi nga, pumunta kami dito sa dagat pagkatapos namin mag-set up. Ano ito? Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Careful here, just
Ready na ang tent sa pero hindi pa ako nag-set up. Need pa mag-set up.
The boundary!
Isang tent. Ayan, loob. Ayan. So mag-set up muna ako. Ang mga bata nito kanina pa. Be careful of the strings, ha? Ang putoy-toy isang bata.
I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit. No chance to hold. Sky is the limit. I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control.
Bad luck, wait. Bad luck. It's go down. Da-na-na! 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 So you just...
So guys, gabi na. Natapos na kaming mag-set up. Ayan. So ito na. So ito na yung setup namin. Tapos na din kami mag-set up, guys. Ang dami pang mga So pakita ko lang yung namin. Ito. So dito yung si Dionte. Tapos doon kami ni daddy niya. Tapos ito yung lagayan ng mga marurumi naming damit. Or tsaka ayan. Tapos yung bag. Tapos ito yung aming munting mesa. Kasi nag-order pa ako ng mesa. Kaya lang hindi pa dumating. Mga bata. Tapos ito naman naglagay kami dito ng privacy tent. Kasi nga pag magbibihis kami or iihi, yung mga ganyan. At least meron kaming ito na nga yung ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, ito lang. At Ayan na nga, meron din kaming lights dito. Tapos, ayan na. Pud na ako dahil. Inaantay ko pa yung kaibigan ko kasi naghanap sila ng hotel na matutuluyan. Pero kung di sila makahanap ng hotel, yung kaibigan ko tsaka yung mga anak niya, dito na lang kasi 2 bedroom naman ito kasi ito. Pwede mo to siya masara. So, pwede siya maging 2 bedroom. So, okay lang din. Tapos yung asawa niya ata, sa kotse na lang matutulog. Pero, not sure pa. Kaya, ayan lang muna for today. Kasi, liligoan ko muna yung anak ko, day. Dali na. Wait lang. Bye-bye.